I recently uploaded a video called Copy People versus Copy Portfolio, and someone left a comment on that video. Someone has challenged me. Okay, so eToro's Copy People versus Copy Portfolio video. Let's go down. I believe it is on this comment thread. Here we go. Machine learner. I think it's, so basically in this comment thread, I was having a debate, if you like, with Drip King. I almost said King Drip again then. And I was basically saying that I can probably pick 20 to 25 traders to copy, and it will outperform the top trader copy portfolio, which eToro gives, and that I briefly went through in my previous video, where eToro basically picks 20 to 25 random traders, and then they sort of shift the traders around every quarter. And the other thing is that there's a tight 5% stop loss. So if any one of those random 20 to 25 traders hits that 5% stop loss, they've lost that 5%. That's gone. Next trader in. And that's, to me, seems like a flawed system. It's random for a start. You can't choose the traders. Tight 5% stop loss. That's not good in my opinion. And also it's that the funds are equally distributed. So if you put on a minimum of $5,000, which is the very bare minimum to copy the top trader copy portfolio, whether it's between 20 or 25 traders, you're looking at $200 to $250. And that's the starting price that eToro sort of forces you to put on each trader. Not every trader on eToro, can be started with 200 or 250. Some people need, I've seen people that go up to 1,500. You can't copy all the open trades on some people unless it goes to $1,500. So that's another thing there. That's another issue, that you might not even be able to copy all the people's trades on this top trader copy portfolio, as well as losing money and as well as it's random. So it just seems very flawed. So I said I can probably pick 20 to 25 people that would outperform it. And Machine Learner says, I think it's harder picking a group of traders who will do well going forward than you're making it look. I doubt if you had to pick traders at the beginning of 2020 based off 2019 performance, you would have picked more than 2 who ended 2020 with more than average returns. I guess you could make a series of that. A virtual portfolio of your best PIs, they'll have to perform better than the eToro copy portfolios based on people, or top trader copy portfolios. Right, the machine learner, the guy who said this. This is also the same guy. Machine learner, or Mohammed. So machine learner is basically, although he say he just wants more content, but I think there's a part of him that's saying, I think the AIs or, the eToro algorithms created by eToro scientists and specialists is more likely, or has a better chance, of outperforming me and my choices of traders. So it seems that he's siding with the AI a little bit. Why is that? Look to hit the market flying on Monday with an artificial intelligence algo trading system. This is Mohammed's, or machine learner's, strategy, or this is how he trades. He uses artificial intelligence to tell him what to pick, what to open, what to close. Machine learner is on side of the robots. Mohammed is just a human being, but he's a representative of the robots, of the AI. The very thing that we're trying to fight in this experiment. Can a human, myself, and 20 to 25 other human traders that I've handpicked outperform the eToro top trader copy portfolios? All 3 of them. I'm going to compete against all 3 of them. Not combined, but individually. So if any one of them is a lot higher than the other one, then we'll we'll head towards that one. So basically what I'm going to do is, starting yesterday, February 1st, for a 6-month period. So I've picked 25 people and I've copied them all yesterday on my virtual portfolio. I would have liked 28. There was 3 others that I wanted, but they've all reached their maximum AUM. So I have to deal with 25. Also, I've got J Nemesis. He can no longer be copied, so I intentionally did not close him for this experiment. He's been on for a long while. So yesterday he had about $8.88. So I need to keep a note of that number and deduct that, or work it out in a percentage form, because you could argue about compounding, like it would be a lot more than $8.88 eventually. So we'll figure something out, but I need to keep note that he was already quite high yesterday. All these 25 traders came to about $6,700. So what I've done is I've added the free copy portfolios at 6,700, 6,700, 6,700. So these are the 3 that I'm going to be competing against for the next 6 months. And the irony is, who's this here? Is that machine learner that is fighting by my side unwillingly? An AI of my own fighting against the AIs that he's seeking to protect? Oh, machine learner, you will do my bidding. Mohammed, machine learner, the irony is that you will help me beat this challenge that you've put against me. With your own artificial intelligence system, I'm going to use that against your challenge and beat the very challenge that you put against me. Now, I'm not going to show any of you this for in between now and 6 months' time. I'll only upload one video, and that'll be in 6 months' time at the very end. So this will be interesting. I'll see you in 6 months.